It's a beautifully windy day in Kansas City, so I thought I'd bring you something rather pleasant. This is a MINI Countryman Oxford Edition. Now, a little background about the Oxford Editions. They were launched years ago as an affordable option, at one point geared toward veterans and first responders. But MINI realized that the popularity of these more affordable options was so good that they decided to allow everyone to buy them. So what you get is you get a Countryman, but you don't get to pick the options. It is a prepackaged car. Now, the advantage of that is that the cost is less expensive because of those things, but you also get a lot of features for the price. So for starters, we don't get a Cooper variant of the Countryman in the US market. Now, the previous Countryman Oxford Edition was a Cooper Countryman, so that's a bit of a difference. But what you do get because of that is you get a little bit more power, you get a lot more torque. You also get these 18-inch asteroid spoke wheels with 225, 55, 18 Hankook tires. You get this nice blazing blue, Nanook white, or chili red paint. You get those. You get black mirror caps, you get a black roof with roof rails. You really get a nice look. And inside you have the Veskin cloth gray and blue interior, which is also very nice. Now, in the Oxford Edition, it does have the adjustable headrest, so you do have that. But you do have a lot of stuff in here. Hop on in, and you even have navigation, which is a great thing to have regardless of what car you happen to own. You really just get a lot of cool stuff in here. And just a nice setup. Panorama sunroof. And then, of course, if you get in the back, plenty of room for your kids or two adults side by side. It actually is very roomy back here. So there is that. I kind of like the shape of the new headrest too. That's pretty cool. But the interior is really nice, bright, airy. You have a anthracite headliner. I love that. And if you go to the trunk, you even get a power lift gate. How can you go wrong on that? With storage under the load floor. So you got that. But the best thing about this car, and this makes it better than the previous generation Oxford Countryman, is the fact that under the hood, under this little hood, is the B48. Not the B36, the B48. And in that B48, you have 241 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. 295 pound-feet of torque. That is a lot of torque. This thing is quick, it drives well, it is a fun-to-drive car. And of course, you have that great all-4 all-wheel drive system, great aesthetics. It just looks like a good-looking car. So there you have it. You got this great engine. You really have everything you could possibly want. Now, with that comes the sticker price, and this will create some sticker shock. And it's not because the price is more expensive. It is because that with all of those things that you get in this car, navigation, the leather Veskin interior, the 18-inch wheels, the 241 horsepower, 295 torque, the panorama sunroof, the navigation, all that stuff, 36 grand. In a world where we are seeing $50,000 cars, $50,000 being the average price for a new car right now, this one is 36 grand. And that is awesome. You're getting so much car for what is really so little money. And you're getting a lot of car for that money. I mean, it really is a lot of car for the money. And it is a good looking car. Blazing blue, definitely one of my favorite colors for the MINI brand right now. It just looks really good. You got the vibrant silver badging right here, black trim. It just looks the part. The black wheels look incredibly good on this car. It just has the right look to it. And it's comfortable. The seats are comfortable. It's a great car. And I'm sure someone is going to want to buy this thing. I mean, I really like it. So there you have it. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the 2026 MINI Countryman Oxford Edition. Is it a hit? Is it something you might want to buy? Let me know. And as always, thanks for watching, and life is too short to drive a boring car, so drive a MINI. I'll see you all in the next video.